Here we go. Time to get started on the new project. So, let's begin the fun. Come on, there we go. We will set aside. And we will get started on the first sub-assembly, which will be the mortar. Or should we just go in order? You know what? Page 8. Page 8's the carriage. Okay, I see how this is. Alright, well, we're going to start with the mortar. So, what we're going to do, we go to page 7 and begin with the mortar assembly. There we are. Okay, here we go. Hang tight, and we're going to start trucking on this baby. This is going to be a fun build. See you in a bit. And there's the mortar assembly completed. Now, there's actually springs in here from click pens, and the whole cannon is supposed to retract and go, but the fit is so tight, and some of these pieces just don't want to work that way. So it's not like we need the barrel to retract for anything, so we went ahead and we're just going to leave it the way it is. And that's something you run into some of these older models. The fit is off a little bit in some ways. Nothing major, but you know, it's things that happen in these old kits. You know, this may have been like a 4th or 5th or, you know, 500th run of this specific kit. So, yep. So that's the mortar assembly complete. Next up, we will be doing the mortar base. That will be our next step. So there's the mortar assembly for the Thor, very nicely detailed. I don't know if you can see, it's got this nice rough texture on the housing. So yeah, this is gonna be real nice once she's painted up and everything. All right, so till next time, thanks for watching and keep on building. Have a great day.